Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Jeep Wrangler door panel. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery to avoid switches activating. Remove trim screws and pry gently with a panel tool, then detach handle and lift rods. Keep fasteners organized in labeled containers. Unclip the panel by working around the edges and lift to clear the channel. Inspect clips and replace damaged pieces before reassembly. Let's run through the prep and basic steps you need so the job goes smoothly. Lay out tools in order and work on level ground. Remove visible screws and covers before prying panels to avoid breakage. Use slow, steady pressure when releasing plastic clips and keep removed hardware grouped by door section. Label connectors and take reference photos to speed reassembly. If a clip breaks, replace it before reinstalling the panel. After the panel is loose, you'll need to handle speakers and switches carefully. Pry switch bezels and depress connector tabs before pulling switches free to avoid breaking clips. Unscrew speakers and lower them gently while supporting the harness, then disconnect the speaker plug. Check speaker mounts, replace degraded foam, and secure wiring with zip ties if loose. Test each switch and speaker function before snapping the door panel back into place to ensure everything works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.